Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we wrap up another incredible year, I thought it would be perfect time to take you on a journey through some of the paintings I have created over the past 12 months. From vibrant landscape to intricate still life painting, I tried them with different medium. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Thank you for joining us on this year-end painting tour. I hope you liked this artwork. Do let me know what themes or ideas would you like to see me explore next year. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support and creativity have made this journey truly special. Looking forward to an even more inspiring year ahead. Till we meet next year, be creative and keep creating. Peace.